Are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? I'm Bob Sophiea, and I'm here to share my top 3 lessons that have transformed my journey in the real estate world. Stay tuned to discover how to master the rules, take control of your actions, and thrive in an ever-changing market. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on the secrets to real estate success. Lesson 1, know the rules. When I first started my real estate career, thanks to being reported repeatedly by my peers, I quickly realized the importance of understanding the rules. I spent countless hours reading the state laws, the National Association of Realtors Code of Ethics, and consulting with experienced agents and brokers. The confidence that knowing the rules brings has been a game changer for the New Home Collective and for me. Lesson 2, point thumbs, not fingers. Throughout my career, I've been faced with setbacks and I've made a ton of mistakes. However, I learned early on the importance of taking responsibility for my actions and learning from my experiences by pointing thumbs at myself and not fingers at others. I cultivated a growth mindset that has empowered me to adapt and improve. This attitude also allows me to build strong working relationships with clients, co-agents, and fostering a collaborative and supportive environment. Lesson 3, keep it moving, one foot in front of the other. The real estate market can change rapidly, so it's essential to stay resilient and adaptable. I've always been prepared to take new challenges and adjust my strategies when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Instead of dwelling on these issues, I've learned from them and moved forward, maintaining momentum and a positive attitude. This approach has served me well and has allowed me to navigate the ups and downs of the real estate market with confidence. So there you have it, folks. These are the key lessons that I've learned throughout my journey in the real estate business. By understanding the industry rules, by taking responsibility for your actions, and by staying adaptable, keeping it moving in an ever-changing market, you too can excel in your real estate career or in any other endeavor you undertake. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and insight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.